Good morning. Just kidding. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monia, and today you are watching Ride or Die with Monia. Today we will be doing a first impression and review on the Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas Primer that I have right here. It says it's a featherweight protective primer. If you don't know this about Tatcha, Tatcha is a Japanese skincare line that is known to be considered clean at Sephora. If you want to know what that is, just go check out their website so I don't have to bore you to death. But Tatcha is a luxury skincare brand. I love them. They have clean products. Most of it is targeted for like anti-aging or just having nicer, beautiful, healthier skin. So I'm all about, doing whatever I need to do to my skin to maintain its youthfulness and to continue giving it the nutrients it needs to just be soft and supple. Because who doesn't like to be soft and supple? Anyways, today I'm gonna go ahead and use this product. So just a little bit about it. It is for all skin types, oil-free liquid layers of silk primer to make makeup last longer while keeping it out of the skin, helping to minimize excess shine, clogged pores, and breakouts. So it's gonna help blur pores, fine lines, and uneven skin tone. It primes with ultra silk powders for long-lasting flawless makeup. Helps provide a barrier from makeup and pollution on the skin. And it has anti-aging Japanese superfoods to help restore the look of youthful radiance. So basically at the end of this, I'm gonna look like a damn angel. Okay. What else do you need to know? So this retails for $52 and it's 1 ounce. 1 ounce is like pretty standard for foundations and silk and primers. This is also built off of their original silk canvas powder, which was kind of like putty texture wise, and it felt amazing. And the color scheme goes with their line, just like a delicate, gentle lavender purple. I'm basically gonna put this on and let you know what I think about it. All right, focus. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my face. An extra pump for love. It has like a soft floral fresh scent to it. Ooh. It's kind of like a very, oh yeah. That was an experience. That felt so magical. First, it smells amazing. The texture of it, I'm like zen now. I'm like, oh. The texture of it was a mixture of like a hydrating cream, which are typically like a little bit thicker, mixed with like a water gel, and those are very like light. So it applies where you can feel the texture a little bit of the thickness, but then it melts into your skin and your skin just like sucks it up and just, oh, it feels great. And then it gives you this soft, subtle, like silky texture where everything's just super, super smooth and glides. I feel like I was just like genuinely enjoying massaging this into my skin and was like, okay, this is a vibe. Okay, so far I like this so much. I'm gonna go ahead, apply the rest of my makeup, and then come back at you, letting you know how the makeup applied on top of it, what my thoughts are, and then I'm gonna do a check-in later on to just show you how it's holding up. Be right back. Okay, so didn't have time to do my makeup at home, so I'm gonna go ahead. I just did it in my car while I'm charging before work. So we are at it today, off to a great start. So far I applied all my makeup literally just like 2 seconds ago, and I do want to say the one thing I did notice with the Pat McGrath concealer, typically when I apply it on my face, it looks like it's applying on top of my skin, like it never really kind of like blends into or conforms to my skin. So with that piece, I definitely want to say I noticed a difference with the Tatcha Silk Primer, Liquid Silk Primer, in the sense of it really just naturally just like blended it into the skin, helped it melt and soak into the skin, in the sense of really just like making it look even more skin-like than it did before. Now you can see my makeup here. It looks great. Again, I didn't put foundation on, so just be mindful of that, but I'm really liking it so far. I'm gonna go ahead and check in with you guys later on because I am more focused on the long wear of it. But I did notice once I applied it, it had this like very delicate floral fresh scent, and it just made me feel like so outside of that, I'll keep you posted. So far so good. Yeah, so I'll check in with you guys later. Bye guys. All right guys, I am here with you to check in. It is 2:30 a.m. in the morning, so it's almost 24 hours since I have applied the Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas Primer. And what do I have to tell you guys? What do I got to keep you guys updated with? Well, let me tell you. Okay, is it long wearing? Yes, I do think it does help accentuate the fact that whatever concealer or foundation you put or apply on your face, it does help the longevity of it. So I cannot take that away from it. It does make your skin feel a lot more soft, supple, and just more nourished in a sense. If you have oily skin, I typically have like I'm like combo. So my T-zone is a little bit oily and then the rest of my face is normal. The T-zone today was in check. I did not have to do any powder. When I looked in the mirror, it did not look oily or like I need to put any powder on top of it to keep it at bay. So that, I do have to say, worked well. Again, when I applied my concealer this morning, I already noticed a difference. It was immediate, honestly. All in all, do I recommend this product? Yes. If you are looking for a primer that is nourishing, that has skincare benefits, that's clean, that's good for your skin, that gives you more than what you're looking for. If you are doing absolutely fine without it, then you know what? Don't get it. It's not like a make or break it kind of deal, but if you're looking for a primer that does give you the longevity of your makeup, that makes it help melt into your skin and just make it all kind of blend together and come together as one piece, then yes, I do recommend this product. Outside of that, I don't have anything bad to say about it per se. It is luxury, it is expensive, so always keep that in mind. There's always dupes that you can get to improvise for that piece, so don't feel like you have to get this. Outside of that, that's all I have for you guys for today. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell notification to ensure that you are always on top of my videos. I will not be uploading them every Thursday on a consistent basis. I will be uploading them as quickly as I possibly can for you guys. Thanks guys for watching this channel, and until next time, bye guys. It's none of my concern anymore. None of my concern. Is it even worth it at all? Is it even worth it? Get your pictures off of my phone. You need to leave me alone. I am not your girl anymore. You need to watch your tone. I don't care who it is, or who I am loving. Just know that